Welcome to our video on automated trading strategies. Today, we'll explore how AI is transforming trading in 2025. Let's take a quick look back from 2023 to 2025, highlighting the remarkable evolution of AI in trading. Successful automated trading systems hinge on several key components, including algorithms and strategy formulation. Machine learning algorithms play a pivotal role by enhancing trading decisions through data-driven insights. Robust risk management strategies are essential for safeguarding your investments in automated trading. Integrating real-time data analysis can significantly improve the quality of your trading decisions. In 2025, several AI tools and platforms have risen to prominence. Let's explore some of the most popular options. Now, let's examine some case studies that showcase successful implementations of AI trading strategies. As we look ahead, what can we expect beyond 2025 in the realm of AI trading? In conclusion, embracing AI can pave the way for a smarter trading future. Thank you for watching.